Alright, so a pal gave me a bunch of these push sticks for the table saw years ago. And I mean, it's a Jane Mansfield cutout. And I used them because, I mean, they were convenient. I've made push sticks over the years, all kinds of push sticks, they all work. But eventually you run into this problem here where, you know, you cut the bottom out because you're cutting thin strips with it. And the issue with this thing was I thought it was kind of fun, kind of perks up your day, but it wasn't comfortable when you grip it. And this really wasn't a long enough hold down for me with the wood. Sometimes I'm cutting a bigger piece and a lot of hardwoods and the blade wants to throw it back up at you. So I had one that was damaged like this one, and I added a piece of wood to it with just some glue. And it's kind of funny because I went a little nuts with reshaping the woman. Made her a little pervy, I think. But way more comfortable to hold on to. Get your hand in there, a couple different grips there. Much better. And then just now, it's going to seem like this was some long-term, like I put a bunch of time into this time-consuming waste of time, but I just made this kooky contraption here. This was scrap wood sitting in one of my bags, so I mean, even that shape was cut out already. That angle was already on this piece here. I just had to trim it a little bit, add some screws, and what this is now is it just kind of fits in here. It's nice and snug over there. So now, when I cut a thin strip, I can cut into this piece and discard it without ruining this thing. I put a little bit of time in to make it look cool. So let's give it a shot, see if it works. I'm going to cut some hard maple. And I don't normally do this. I'll normally cut something like this on the bandsaw when I want skinny strips and then run that on the joiner planer, which I'm going to be doing today. I'm doing some cutting board material. But I just kind of want to see how this is going to turn out. First test is where you screw up. If you're going to screw up, it's going to be now. Worked out perfect. Friction fit. Those are brass screws. I'm not going to hit them, but if I do, I'm not going to really hurt the blade. And yeah, so it's really for 1/4 inch or thinner strips. And I can easily make another one of these and keep this piece every time. So, I don't know, kind of neat. Maybe it's a waste of time, maybe you think it's cool. Sure does cheer up your day just looking at it though, doesn't it?